Welcome to a property launch video for 36 Portholme Road, which launches this Saturday on the 27th of January. A communal entrance vestibule with front door opens into a private entrance hall which has room for coats and shoes, and a glazed door to a delightful, bright, airy, spacious living room that features a large bay window to the front with deep windowsill, modern wall-mounted electric fire and tasteful decor. There is ample room for sofas, tables and chairs and extra furniture. Leading through, there is a well-proportioned kitchen which has a range of modern-style white-fitted units with integrated oven and hob, space and plumbing for a washing machine and room for a full-height fridge freezer. A further door opens into a double bedroom which benefits from built-in wardrobes and is located to the front of the property. To the rear of the living room is a door to a small hall giving access to an airing cupboard housing a hot water tank, and a bathroom which features a modern white suite and electric shower over bath. Outside there is a residence car park to the rear with an allocated space. Call the Preston Selby office now to secure your space for the property launch.